One more thing I forgot that I want to do is see if I can show on video how soft this ceiling has gotten along this skylight, and by this speaker you can, I don't know if you can see it flexing when I push on it, but it is flexing. And then along this edge over the couch, the ceiling is very rippled along through here because it's been wet, and water is actually still, you can see it dripping coming. This just pushes up. It's in bad shape. Quite honestly, I don't think the fix is that bad a deal. I think what we have is first of all to get the roof re-sealed, and I talked to Mike over in Reading about that.